Hi and welcome back to Liana's kitchen. In this video I'm making a leek and potato soup in a Ninja soup maker. It can of course be made in any type of soup maker. It's one of the most popular recipes for the soup maker, which is understandable as it's so easy to make and tastes amazing. To start with, add the onion and garlic to the soup maker to chop them up smaller. You can also sauté at this time too, once the chop function has finished. Just make sure you have added some oil in too. So add around 250 to 300 grams of chopped potatoes. There is no need to peel the skin, just wash them and cut them into roughly the same size pieces. I'm adding 2 leeks. Prepare them by trimming the ends, chopping them up and then giving them a thorough wash. Next, add 1 teaspoon of dried mixed herbs, 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and then a vegetable stock pot or cube, followed by hot water up to the line. If you're making the stock up separately, it should be around 800 millilitres of stock. Next, put the lid on the soup maker and choose the chunky soup setting, which will run for 30 minutes. But before we check on the final results, did you know you can also find this recipe on my blog, Liana's Kitchen? Although the recipe is written in the description down below, you can also print it off directly from my website. And I also have lots more recipes in my latest soup maker recipe book, which is available to buy on Amazon. The link is in the description down below. Once the soup maker has finished its cycle, carefully remove the lid. You can either serve it as it is, or what I like to do is give the soup a few quick pulses to adjust the consistency. And that's it, a really simple leek and potato soup for the soup maker. I hope you enjoy it, and if you end up making this recipe, please do let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.